now we're going to make a recipe on the compact spray machine. We're going to touch the little folder here with the pencil. This is the actual recipe page. Up here in the top left-hand corner, we're going to hit the folder, and let's go and load recipe 13. Recipe 13 is now loaded. We hit the icon again. You can see recipe 13 in here. We're going to activate everything in here that we need to program on this. This is our reciprocator. So we're going to go, let's say 20 cycles. We want to run 4 meters a minute. The photo bar is on. And let's say we are running a hybrid machine here. We want to turn the paper conveyor on. So paper conveyor is on. 0 is off there. We would be running the recovery unit. The recip cycle, 20 cycles per minute. Our overspray values here. We are in push-pull mode. This would be pull-only mode. That would be push-only mode. Let's, for our educational purposes, let's go push-pull mode. This is our overspray values on our edges, our overspray values on our surface, and what guns we want to program on. We're going to program on gun 3 and 4A, and then let's go down to B reciprocator and program also on 3 and 4B. Back to conveyors here. I'm sorry, I hit the save button there. Let's go ahead and save it at this point. Name it Superfici. Okay, we're going to hit the check mark here to save it. We're going to hit the save button again. Recipe 13 is now called Superfici. So go back here, hit conveyors. This is our conveyor speed, our paper on and off. And also we have a tab over here all the way to the right. You can make notes if you would like to. Solvent add, tip sizes, things of that sort. So now we've named it Recipe 13. We're going to hit the save button. Save again to confirm it. We now come back into the folder here, and you can see Recipe 13 is saved as Superfici.